This video shows how to put on a holiday request within the WAP desktop. So I am already logged in as a user with holiday permissions. To enter a request, navigate to the menu, find holidays, and then click on Create New. The information at the top half of the screen is already populated for you. Before we add the holiday request, there are a number of tabs across the middle which might be useful to know about. The first one being the Entitlement tab, which shows you a little graphic of what your entitlement is for the current year. You can change this if you've got access to other years to have a look at future years, for example. The calendar will show you your holiday and anyone else that you've got the permission to view that might be coming up in case there's any conflict. The approval history will grow as the holiday progresses. So to add a holiday, come back to the Current Request tab and click on Add a New Request Line. From here, you can select the dates that you want your holiday. Select whether it's a morning or an afternoon that you're taking off. So this particular one is going to be a 2-day request. So it's going to start in the morning shift and then it's going to finish in the afternoon shift. If I just wanted a morning, I would just put in the same date and an AM shift. If I wanted the afternoon, the same date and PM shift. Description is optional. Your approvers will always see it. However, if you hide it, it won't be visible on your calendar. So that calendar we looked at a second ago, if you keep your description visible, will be visible to other users as well. Select whether it's annual leave. Alternative user is only relevant to users who are also approvers within WAP. If you select an alternative user, at the point your holiday starts, WAP will redirect any requests that come to you for approval to your alternative user. When your holiday ends, WAP will stop redirecting any other items for approval. Once you're happy, you can save your line. You can only add one line at a time. If you need to add further lines, you would need to submit further holiday requests. As you can see, the add line has been removed. To submit this holiday for approval, you must save and submit it. If you save only, it will only be visible to you and it will not be sent for approval. Closing the item will mean that it's closed without saving any changes. I'm going to submit this holiday request. And you can see down the bottom that the holiday request has been submitted. If you close the item, we can see it waiting in our Submitted tab in the existing holiday request. Hovering over the little flag on the left-hand side will show you who it's waiting for. WAP displays the annual leave in hours, but when you look at your entitlement, you can view it within days. So the holiday has been submitted, and you can also see from your home page that you'll have a notification saying who it's been sent to for approval. And that's it. That's how you send your holiday request for approval.